Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you several ways to earn free and heavily discounts on Temu without inviting your friends. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your Temu application, or if you don't have the app, simply open a browser in the search bar temu.com and then sign in to your account. If you are a new user, you can check for welcome rewards, coupon bundles, or first order promotion that may be available in your region. You can even use the daily check-in feature and complete simple in-app activity to earn credit, coupon, and other rewards over time. Log in regularly, browse product, and participate in available tasks. Small reward can add up and help reduce the cost of future purchases. Now, another option is to play Temu in-app games such as Fish Land on Farmland, where completing challenges may earn rewards or discount over time. You should also watch for coupon codes, limited time promotions, and flash sales that can significantly lower the price of eligible items. Now, in some cases, combining coupons with account credit can reduce the total cost even further, depending on the promotions or the item. Keep in mind that getting free or heavily discounted item without inviting friends usually requires consistency, completing in-app activities, and taking advantage of available offers. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.